My dear students, welcome to your favorite channel English Learning Assam. Like other days, today I bring a new topic on your English for class 11. Today I bring a question paper for you. I think this question paper will help you in your examination. Okay? মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল অইন দিনৰ দৰে আজিও মই তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে তোমালোকৰ প্ৰিয় চেনেল ইংলিছ লাৰ্নিং অসমৰ জৰিয়তে এটি নতুন কোশ্চেন পেপাৰ লৈ আহিছো এই কোশ্চেন পেপাৰটো লৈছো আমি এইচএস ফাৰ্ষ্ট ইয়াৰ অৰ্থাৎ ক্লাস 11 ৰ কাৰণে এই কোশ্চেনটো লোৱা হৈছে দৰং ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টৰ আন্ডাৰত থকা জিএইচএস স্কুলৰ পৰা কোশ্চেনটো হল 2021 অলৰেডি স্কুলখনৰ প্ৰি ফাইনাল এক্সামিনেশন ফাৰ্ষ্ট ইয়াৰ কাৰণে হৈ গল আৰু সেই প্ৰি ফাইনাল এক্সামিনেশনৰ কোশ্চেনটো আমি লৈছো তোমালোকে কোশ্চেনটো ঘৰত প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিব পাৰা কাৰণ আহা পৰীক্ষাৰ কাৰণে তোমালোকৰ যেটো পৰীক্ষা এপ্ৰিল মাহত হ'ব আৰু তাৰ কাৰণে প্ৰিভিয়াৰৰ কাৰণে পৰীক্ষাটো পতা হৈছিল তোমালোকে পৰীক্ষাটোৰ কোশ্চেন পেপাৰ বিলাক ঘৰত ৰিজাই চালে আৰু পৰীক্ষাত কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কোশ্চেন আহিব ইংলিশৰ পেপাৰখন কেনেকুৱা হ'ব বহুত লেন্দি হয় এই বিষয়ে এই ভিডিওৰ জৰিয়তে পাবা ওকে বলা এতিয়া আমি দেৰি নকৰি মূল বিষয়বস্তুলৈ যাও কোশ্চেন পেপাৰটো হল জিএইচএসএস 21 প্ৰি ফাইনাল এক্সামিনেশন 2021 English total mark 90 pass mark 27 time 3 hours The figures in the margin indicate full marks for the questions. Assam higher secondary education e প্রস্তুত করা মডেল for the এইচএস ফার্স্ট ইয়ার ইংলিশ হেইটো হল question numbers 1 to section A reading skills that is reading. From here you get 20 marks. Question numbers 3, 4 and 5 section B that is writing skills. From this you get 20 marks. Question numbers 6, 7 and 8 section C grammar marks 10. Questions 9, 10, 11, 12 13 and 14 section D textual questions 40 marks okay so this is the main frame for mark sheet and distribution for mark okay তোমালোকৰ এক নং কোশ্চেনত আহিব দুটা প্যাসেজ that is called reading skill এটা থাকিব 12 আৰু এটা থাকিব 8 নম্বৰ okay এই টোটাল হল 20 marks questions 3 4 and 5 section B writing skills in writing skills question number 3 তোমালোকে পাবা কি preparation writing or report writing এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ article writing এনেকুৱা পাবা আৰু 4 নম্বৰত পাবা তোমালোকে report writing okay or speech writing আৰু তোমালোকে 5 নম্বৰত পাবা application writing application to editor or job application okay and grammar তোমালকে 6 7 আৰু 8 নম্বৰত grammar পাবা 9 10 11 12 13 আৰু 14 নম্বৰত তোমালকে textual question পাবা ইয়াৰে 9 10 11 12 ত পাবা তোমালকে হেৰি পৰা hornbillৰ পৰা আৰু 13 and 14 this consist of what that is synopsis okay now come to the main question section A read question number 1 read the following passages carefully and answer the questions that follow question number 1 smoking is the major cause of mortality with bronchogenic carcinoma of the lungs and is one of the factors causing death due to the malignancies of larynx, oral cavity, esophagus, bladder, kidney, pancreas, stomach, and uterine cervix, and coronary heart disease. Okay, so paragraph writing passage writing তোমালোকৰ দুটা আহিব এই passage writing দুটাৰ প্ৰথমটো হ'ব তোমালোকৰ কি passage হ'ব passage writing দুটাৰ প্ৰথমটো হ'ব 12 নম্বৰৰ passage এই passageৰ প্ৰথম paragraph এনেকৈ 1 নম্বৰ কৈ দিয়া থাকিব এইটো মই তোমালোকে দেখা পাইছে না বোল্ড কৰি দিছে এইকাৰণে এইটো কোশ্চেন নম্বৰ এনেকৈ 1 2 এনেকৈ দিয়া থাকিব এইটো হল কি para number. Okay, now continue to 2. Para 2, nicotine is the major substance present in the smoke that causes physical dependence. The additives to produce damage to the body. For example, ammonia can result in a 100-fold increase in the ability of nicotine to enter into the smoke. Para 3, levulinic acid added to cigarettes to max the harsh taste of the nicotine can increase the binding of nicotine to brain receptors, which increases the kick of nicotine. Okay. Now para 4, smoking from the burning end of a cigarette contains over 4,000 chemicals and 40 carcinogens. It has long been known that tobacco smoke is carcinogenic or cancer causing. Okay. 5. The lungs of smokers collect an annual deposit of 1 to 1.5 pounds of the gooey black materials. Invisible gas phase of cigarette smoke contains nitrogen, oxygen, and toxic gases like carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, acrolein, hydrogen cyanide, and nitrogen oxides. These gases are poisonous and in many cases interfere with the body's ability to transport oxygen. Okay. Now para 6. Like many carcinogenic compounds, they can act as tumor promoters or tumor initiators by acting directly on the genetic makeup of cells of the body, leading to development of cancer. 7. During smoking, within the first 8 to 10 seconds, nicotine is absorbed through the lungs and quickly moved into the bloodstream and circulated throughout the brain. Nicotine can also enter the blood stream through the mucous membranes that line the mouth. If tobacco is chewed or nose, if snuff is used, and even through the skins. Our brain is made of billions of nerve cells. They communicate with each other by chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. 8. Nicotine is one of the most powerful nerve poisons and binds neuromuscular junctions located throughout the brain. They play critical role in cognitive processes and memory. 9. The nicotine molecule is shaped like a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine, which are involved in many functions including continued 3. Muscle movement, breathing, heart rate, learning and memory. Nicotine, because of the similar structure with acetylcholine, when it gets into the brain, attaches itself to acetylcholine sites and produces toxic effect. 10. In high concentration, nicotine is more deadly. In fact, 1 drop of purified nicotine on the tongue will kill a person. It has been used as a pesticide for centuries. Okay. 11 number. Recent research studies suggest that acute nicotine administration would result in increased dopamine release from the brain, producing perceptions of the pleasure and happiness, increased energy and motivation, increased alertness, increased feeling of vigor during the early phase of smoking. Okay. 12. However, notwithstanding these superficial effects, research shows that the relationship between smoking and memory loss is strongest in people who smoke more than 20 cigarettes each day, and this is not specific to the socio-economic status, gender, and a range of associated medical conditions. Smoking may speed up age-related memory loss, and the details are not yet clear. Some studies suggest that repeated exposure high nicotinic smokes related to the brain wiring is nothing but neurobiochemistry that deals with complex interaction among genetic experience and biochemistry of brain cell. Next 13. No is a unique molecular known as nitrogen oxide. Okay, nitrogen oxide is a unique molecule which plays a role in a number of beneficial and so some of the harmful brain and body mechanisms. For example, synapse formation, drug tolerance, and local regulation of cerebral blood flow, Parkinson's disease, etc. It is also found that people who smoke more cigarettes a day have poorer memories in middle age than non-smokers. Para 14. Some experts says that smoking is linked to memory problems because it contributes to narrowest arteries that restrict blood flow to the brain. One of the causes of memory decline. In relation to the brain function could be the nerve cell death or decreased density of interconnected neuronal network due to loss of dendrites. The tiny filaments which connect one nerve cell to another. Abstinence from smoking is essential not only to avoid this systematic effect but also the reduce the ill effects to the environment. So this is the passage. Okay, now come to the questions. A. Answer the following questions briefly. 1. How is smoking the major cause of mortality? 2. Number 2. What in a cigarette make the people addicted to? 2. Number 3. What are neurotransmitters? 2 mark. 4. How does nicotine produce toxic effects? 5. According to the experts, how is smoking linked to memory? 2. B number. Find words from the above passage which mean the same as 1 into 2 equal to 2, that means এটা করলে 1 নম্বর পাবা. Number 1 death, para 1 আছে death mortality. Number 2 energy or force, that is para 11 আছে vigor. Okay. Question number 2. Read the passage given below and answer the question that follow. Para 1. How does television affect our lives? It can be very helpful to people who carefully choose the shows that they watch. Television can increase our knowledge of the outside world. There are high quality of programs that help understand many fields of study, science, medicine, arts, and so on. Moreover, television benefits very old people who cannot be often leave the house as well as patients in hospitals. It also offers non-native speakers the advantage of daily informal language practice. They can increase the vocabulary and practice learning. Continued 5. Number 2 pra. On the other hand, there are several serious disadvantages of television. Of course, it provides us with a pleasant way to relax and spend our free time, but in some countries, people watch the Bob TV for the average 6 hours or more a day. Many children stare at a television screen for more hours each day than they do anything else, including studying and sleeping. It's clear that the tube has a powerful influence on their lives and that its influence is often negative. Okay. Para 4. Recent studies show that after only 30 seconds of television, a person's brain relaxes and the same way that it goes just before the person falls asleep. After effects of the television on the human brain is that it seems to cause poor concentration. Children who view a lot of television can often concentrate on a subject for only 15 to 20 minutes. They can pay attention only for the amount of time between commercial. Para 4. Another disadvantage is that television often causes people to become dissatisfaction with their own lives. Real life does not seem as existing to these people as the time of an actor in the screen. To many people, television becomes more real than reality, and their own life seems boring. Also, many people get upset or depressed when they can't solve problems in real life as quickly as television actors seem to. Before a child is 14 years old, he or she views 11,000 murders on the TV. He or she begins to believe that there is nothing strange about fight, killing, and other kinds of violence. Many studies show that people become more violent after certain programs. They may even do the things that they see in violent show. 6 number para. The most negative effect of boob TV might be people's addiction to it. People often feel a strange and powerful need to watch television even when they don't enjoy it. Addiction to a television screen is similar to drug or alcohol addiction. People almost never believe that they are too addicted. Questions. A. On the basis of your reading of the above passage, make notes on it using recognizable appreciation whenever necessary. A suitable title on it. 5. B. Make a summary of the above passage in about 80 words. Itu 3 number আছে. এতিয়া আমি section B লৈ আহো. Writing. Question number 3. You are arranging a picnic to Kaziranga next Sunday. Describe your preparation to your classmates in about 100 words. 6 marks. Or you are eyewitness to a road accident in which a school-going boy was killed and many passengers were injured. As a fresh reporter of the Assam Tribune, write a report about the accident in 100 to 120 125 words. You are Aisha or Sanjay. 6 mark. Question number 4. Write a speech to be delivered in the school or college assembly on importance of discipline in life. 6 number. Or write an article for your school or college magazine on the need to fight environmental degradation in our country. 6. Now question number 5. You are Ranjan or Ranjana. You have come across an advertisement in a local daily regarding a situation vacant for the post of continued 7. Assistant teacher in a school at Jorhat. Write an application to the headmaster of the school submitting your candidature for the same. Mention other relevant details. 8. Or you are Gautam or Gargi living at 12 Hillview Avenue Colony, Dibrugarh. There are frequent power cuts and voltage fluctuation in your area causing great inconvenience to its residents. Write a letter to the editor of the Sentinel drawing attention of the authorities concerned to the problem. 8. Now come to section C, grammar. মই তোমালোকৰ এই গ্ৰামাৰ সেকশনৰ আনসাৰখিনি কৰি দিবলৈ ট্ৰাই কৰিম ওকে 6 A fill in the blanks with suitable determinants sub into 2 equal to 1 number 1 we have very dash information few little few 2 dash European tourist meet yesterday an European তোমালোকে জানানো হয় ইউৰোপিয়ানৰ আগত A preposition A article boy B rewrite the sentences with correct form of verb given in brackets sub into 2 equal to 1 number I wish I dash a king B তোমালোকে জানানো হয় যে I wish থাকলে আর যদি ব্র্যাকেটত B থাকে B verb থাকে তাহলে B verb টো উঠি যায় were হবে so answer will be I wish I were a king number 2 it dash since morning rain since আছে so noted word since থাকলে তোমালোকে কি বুজিব পাবো লাগিব বুজি পাবো লাগিব যে এটো প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হবো আর প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সৰ স্ট্রাকচার হল সাবজেক্ট প্লাস হ্যাজ আর হ্যাভ প্লাস বিন প্লাস মেইন ভার্বৰ লগত আইএনজি প্লাস অবজেক্ট প্লাস এক্সটেনশন সো ইউ রাইট ইটৰ লগত হ্যাজ হবো ইট হ্যাজ বিন রেইনিং সিন্স মর্নিং okay C fill in the blanks with appropriate model auxiliaries bracket the sense of the sentence is indicated in the bracket sub into 2 equal to 1 number we dash play football ability was what will be the model verb we can play football here you put can number 2 dash I come in sir permission কি আছে আমি কোন হয় যেতে আমার ক্লাসত স্যার হুমাইতে দে আমি কই থাকো হয় কি কো মে I come in sir okay D correct the following half into 2 equal to 1 continued 8 page 8 1 he left the hostel with bag and baggage correct hobo ki utton hobo he left the hostel bag and baggage number 2 she is reading since morning agoti koi har dore since ase gotike present perfect continuous tense hobo tense correction upor aise she has been reading since morning okay now come to question number 7 A compare the following which of conversation by choosing the correct alternative from the brackets. 2. She said to me dash why or where are you late কি হবো she said to me why are you late why নহয় I replied I am not late it's 10:30 dash in my in or by my watch কি হবো এইটো হবো তোমালোকে জানা নহয় what is the time by your words by হবো টাইমের আগত এটো by হবো ওকে next b number rewrite the following sentences as directed 1 into 2 equal to 2 number 1 he did not know my name make it complete নহয় complex হবো complex sentence he did not know what my name was he did not know what my name was number 2 she is the most intelligent girl in the class use the comparative degree of intelligent এটা কি হবে she is more intelligent than any other girl in the class okay number 8 rearrange the word in the following to form meaningful sentences 1 into 2 that is 2 okay number 1 are harmless to snacks most people ki snacks are harmless to most people or এনেকৈ দিব most peoples are most snacks are এটা হবো correct most snacks are harmless to people হবো okay number 2 Sham not know swim does to how question asks এটা easy দিছে Sham does not know how to swim Sham does not know how to swim okay now come to section D textual questions what is section D textual questions question number 9 read any one of the stanzas given below and answer the questions that follow. A. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins were paddling, each on holding one of my mother's hand, and the big girl, some 12 years or so, all three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. So it was stanza. The question will be there. What does the cardboard show the poet? Number 1 asil. Page 9. Number 2. Who was the big girl? Number 3. How old was the poet's mother when the photograph was clicked? On number asil. Number 4. Who clicked the photograph on number seal 5 write briefly what the girls did on the sea beach 4 number seal or B when did my childhood go was it the day I ceased to be 11 was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be was that the day. Question 1. Where do these lines occur on number seal? Question 2. When does the poet think that he lost his childhood on a seal? 3. Find the synonyms of stopped in the stanza 1. 4 number. What does the poet learn about hell and heaven? On number seal. Question 5. How does the poet describe the process of being grow up? 4 number seal. Okay. ঠিক আছে এইখিনি আসলে question number 9. Now come to question number 10. Answer any two of the following questions. 3 into 2 equal to 6. A. The poet's mother laughed at the snapshot. What did this laugh indicate? B. The three stanzas depict three different phrases. What are they? Okay. So continued 10. C number. What according to the poem is involved in the process of growing up? D. What is the poet's feeling towards childhood? Now come to question number 11. Okay. Question number 11. Answer any 5 of the following questions. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. A. Why have the sparrows refused to eat the crumb of the bread on the death of author's grandmother? B. Mention 3 reasons why the author's grandmother was disturbed when he started going to the city school. C. Mention 3 ways in which the author's grandmother spent her days after he grew up. Question D. Mention the way in which the sparrows expressed their sorrow when the author's grandmother died. E. Why did the author Barrier Elwin say that he was an unconventional visitor? F. Why, according to Barrier Elwin, should wood carving that taught and encouraged in our educational centers? G. What does Barrier Elwin have to say to the hill people of Assam? Now come to question number 12. A. What are the different ways in which we come to know that the author's grandmother was a deeply religious person? 6 number. Or B. What difference does Barrier Elwin draw between the game sanctuaries of Kenya and Kaziranga? 6. Now come to 13. Question number 13. A. The school system often curbs individuals' talent. Discuss. 6 number. Or why and how did Albert decide to get rid of his school? 6. Eto actually তোমালোকৰ snapshots. So Albert Einstein at the school বুলি সেই chapter পৰ দিয়া হৈছে. B. Why and how did Albert decide to get rid of his school? 6 number আছিল. Now come to question number 14. Answer any 2 of the following questions in brief. 2 into 2 equal to 4. Continued 11. Page 11. A. What was Einstein's idea of education? B. How do you distinguish between information gathering and inside information? C. What kind of student was Einstein? D. What was the view of Ilsha about Albert? So, my dear students, this is the question paper which is prepared by Darong district. Okay? So, তোমালোকে যদি ঘৰত এইখিনি ভালকৈ প্ৰ্যাকটিছ কৰা তেতিয়াহ'লে তোমালোকৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট ইয়াৰ যিখিনি ফাইনেল এক্সাম হ'ব তাতে তোমালোকে ধুনীয়াকৈ এই কোৱেশ্চন পৰা কমেও ভালেখিনি নম্বৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা ভালেখিনি নম্বৰ কমন পাবা ওকে আৰু এইখিনিতে তোমালোকৰ হেৰিটো দি দিছো গ্ৰামাৰৰ সলিউশনখিনি দি দিছো Thank you for watching your favorite channel English Learning Assam.